Miles going to lead off jam session on his famous theme number, Flying Home.
You ain't fooling me. Oh, you nasty.
He's not dancing.
He was dancing before.
You dancing before?
He's doing a deep train. Why this train going so slow for?
Alright.
Hi. How you doing? I'm talking to her. She's nice.
You're nice.
She looks tired too. You tired? You know my name?
You know her name?
No, what's your name?
I'm Cindy Hot Chocolate.
Cindy Hot Chocolate.
No, she's on the floor.
What's your name?
It's Cindy Hot Chocolate. Like that?
Yes, I do.
I'm sorry the cake was so long.
What did you say?
I'm sorry the cake was so long.
Oh, taking so long.
I don't feel so good.
What's wrong?
I got gas.
What do you mean?
Oh, you put it in my face.
I gotta go doo-doo.
Alright.
She got toilet paper. I'm like, I like my new look. You look like clear. I'm not clear. Oh, I got it. That tickles. Wow, he got soft hands. Can I ask him a question?
Ask who?
Can I ask him a
Ask what?
Can you scratch right here?
Scratch your head?
Wow, he's good. Do it again. I like that. Come here.
What do you want?
A hug.
Hug?
Thank you. A hug and a kiss.
No. Relax. Relax. What's wrong?
I like him now.
You like it now?
I changed.
Change.
Is he single?
I don't think so.
Oh, God.
I gotta babysit her. I'm taking her back home from school. What's your name?
I'm Cindy.
Cindy. Cindy what?
Cindy Hot Chocolate.
Cindy Hot Chocolate.
What's so funny? You got jokes or something? The hot chocolate. I like her hat too. Tell her I like her hat.
She likes your hat.
You heard me? I like your hat. Now take it off. You got change or something? I'm so hungry. I eat all day. Are you hungry too? You're not hungry? Thank you very much.
Right. What do you say?
Oh my God.
Right. Why are you shaking?
I'm scared.
You scared of who?
I'm scared of that guy right here. I saw him at the corner store last night.
What are you doing?
I think I know that guy.
You don't know that guy.
I do know that.
You saw him before?
I saw him last night.
Doing what?
He was selling something.
Selling something. Like what?
Ask him.
No.
Ask him.
Ask him what?
Ask him if he sell drugs.
You don't sell drugs.
You don't sell drugs? No. You sure? Thank God. I said,
What's wrong?
I got issues.
Say sorry, sir.
I'm sorry, sir.
Alright? You okay?
Are you cool now? No peace?
No beef. Say what you say.
I'm sorry.
Sorry what?
I'm sorry you're crazy.
Alright. High five?
Can I sing a song?
Sing a song.
You are so beautiful. Can I hug you too? Can I hug you too? I'll hug and a kiss.
No. Easy, alright? Say good night.
Thank you so much, sir.
Alright.